The tranquility of the forest. On the outskirts of a quiet village, there was a beautiful forest. The villagers were busy with daily business, and they were exhausted both physically and mentally from field work and housework. However, in the depths of the forest, there was a special place that no one knew. One day, Akira, a young man living in the village, dragged his tired body into the forest. He walked in the woods, wanting to refresh himself even a little in between work. Then, what suddenly stopped was the bank of a small clear stream covered in green. The place was pleasantly with a refreshing breeze and a pleasant chirping of birds. Akira sat down on the spot, closed his eyes and took a deep breath. As I listened to the sound of the clear stream, I felt my heart gradually calm down. Strangely enough, Akira realized at that moment that his fatigue was being healed little by little. I realized that I had lost sight of myself in my busy daily life. When I returned to the village, I was waiting for work again, but I felt that this quiet moment was nourishing my heart. In his daily routine, Akira remembered the place in the forest and began to find time to visit. The tranquility and refreshment in the forest gave him new vitality and increased his motivation to work. The surrounding villagers also noticed Akira's change and heard from him about the forest. And Akira told his friends in the village about the tranquility of this forest, and everyone decided to visit. The villagers relaxed in the forest and found peace of mind. A little rest enriched their lives. In this way, the villagers began to visit the forest regularly during their busy work and learned the importance of maintaining physical and mental health. And their daily life gained new energy from the tranquility of the forest and became bright and shining. The end.